How to get best Blackout Bingo promo code discount. Now in this video I'll show you where you can find or get the best Blackout Bingo promo discount code. So all I have to do first is before you play the game, open up any available browser on your end, but on this video I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now you're going to have to visit the specific site that's going to be called Super Shopper Hub. Choose one of their first link that will redirect you into their official site, and then this is the website that should look like. Now at the top, you just have to switch it into promotions and then just simply type in Blackout Bingo. So as you can see, there are a lot of promotional codes or discount codes that you can use from here. In order for you to use them, just simply click on these option here that says show code for you to be able to copy the unique code and paste it into Black Bingo. And that is how you get best Blackout Bingo discount promo code.